everyone. Today we'll be looking at the Leetcode 704 question, which is binary search. This question is right on your screen. You have to return the index of the target given. The first brute force approach that we can think of is we scan through every element. Check if -1 is 9, no. 0 is 9, no. 3 is 9, no. 5 is 9, no. 9 is 9, correct. We got the answer. So we return the index, which is 4. Now since we are scanning through every element, the time complexity will be O of n. Let's think about optimizing this approach. First, I'll tell you the rules of the binary search. You assign a left pointer and a right pointer. Okay. The left pointer will be at 0 and right pointer will be at the end of the array. So left is 0 and right pointer will be 5. Now at every step you calculate the mid, which is left plus right by 2. And then you compare your mid, the number which is present at the mid index, to the target. If it's equal, then you got the answer. If target is greater than the nums of mid, then think intuitively, what would we do? We would move to the right side of the array, right? Otherwise, we will move to the left side of the array. So, one analogy that I'll tell you is, when you search for a word in a dictionary, do you start from the first page? No, you don't, right? You open the middle of the dictionary and you search either in the left side or the right side of the pages. So this is how binary search works. We'll do a dry run, which you'll be able to understand more clearly. So this is your example. Left we are assigning 0 and right will be the end of the array, that is 5. Calculate mid, which is 0 plus 5 by 2. 2.5, which is 2. Now the mid is second index, number is 3. 3 and 9, compare it. 9 is greater than 3. The target is greater than the number. So where will we search next? We will search in the right side of the array. That is right side of 3. So left will be mid plus 1. Now our left is index number 3 and right is index number 5. Again calculate mid, which is 8 by 2. 5 plus 3 by 2, 8 by 2, which is 4. The number there is 9. Now compare 9 with 9. We found our answer. So just return the index. This is how binary search works. I hope you understood the intuition, how it works. Now we'll code this approach. Let's start coding. The left pointer we will assign to 0. Right pointer will assign to the end of the array, which is nums.size -1. Now we will apply a while loop. Left is less than equal to right, because we have to search through the whole array, right? Now calculate your mid. Remember, I told you at every step you have to calculate your mid. So in the loop, every time you calculate your mid, left plus right by 2. After that, you compare the number with target. If target equals nums of mid, we found our answer. So just return the index, which is mid. If target is greater than mid, then we move to the right side. So we'll assign left equals mid plus 1. Otherwise, we'll assign right equals mid minus 1. After this whole while loop is done, we just return a -1 if we don't find the target. There is one more change that you can do. Mid equals left plus right minus left by 2, which will avoid overflows. I'll write it in the description. I hope you understood. Thank you.